So we chop basil, fresh basil, garlic, and onion. So we use pre-cooked baby clams, which is nice. Fresh shrimp and zucchini chopped later. Okay, butter and garlic. Wow, it smells so good. Now olive oil. Okay, we put clams. And Italian seasoning. The best if you use basil. Some garlic salt. Now we're going to put in some shrimp. And then we're going to put some white wine. Linguine, cook for 7 minutes in boiling water, and then turn it off for another minute. Okay, linguine is done. So the wine sauce smells really good now. And the shrimp, we don't want to overcook it. So now we're gonna put some chicken broth. Costco. Kids like the sauce, so we have to have some pepper and taste. Excellent. Okay, put some more wine, and it's ready. So normally we put zucchini and squash, but today we don't have it, so we just eat it like this. A glass of white wine or Zinfandel will do. It's time to serve. Some people don't like clam, so they can have shrimp. All right, that's it.